Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. Inside this video, let's talk about the latest update of Ice Network. We will check Ice Network KYC update, step 1. Step 2, as you know, step 2 is coming soon. Even we will check the price of Ice token after the Open Mainnet. Also, we will check the Open Mainnet launch of Ice Network, and then we will check some other news about the Ice token. Ice project is one of the best mining project. I can say better than Pi Network. People are just verifying their KYC. As you know about Pi Network, still people did not get KYC invitation. So that's why the roadmap is very clear. Even exchange listing is coming soon, e-commerce website is coming soon. The whole thing I will cover inside this video. So if you are mining Ice token, you must watch this video, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Ice Network, new coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, even about pre-sale projects, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. Those who purchase Bitcoin ETF token, let me tell you one thing. Your token will not be available inside your MetaMask wallet, inside your any wallet, because for now the pre-sale is live. Once the pre-sale complete, once the claiming option available, on that time you can claim your token and then you can see your token inside your wallet. So don't worry about your token is safe. Even you can stake your token. Simply go to staking. You can stake it in here because you will get only 100% profit. So those who did not purchase Bitcoin ETF token, the link is below in description. Make sure click on the link, purchase the token as the pre-sale is live. So after one day, the price will be increased. For now, the current price is 0.005. As you know, yesterday Bitcoin price just increased 3000. Ethereum, Ethereum even 200 because BlackRock just filed application for the Ethereum spot ETF. So that's why market is going to pump. Even Bitcoin, Ethereum, all cryptocurrencies is gonna pump. So that's why don't miss this project. This is the first Bitcoin ETF token. So Ice KYC will be available for web version users in the next days. There are mobile application and then there are web version application, like you're going to mine Ice token inside your computer system. If you don't have any mobile, if Ice token is not available inside your mobile phone, so you can mine Ice token using your computer. So finally, for web version users, the Ice KYC is coming soon. This is step 1, not step 2, because 50% of the users still did not receive the KYC step 1. So that's why it will take time. Still, people are asking in the comment section, we did not receive the KYC step 1. Don't worry about that. Be patient because 50% of the users still did not get the KYC invitation. So wait for that, soon you will get it. Okay, in order to ensure that the complete verification of KYC goes smoothly, Ice Network will soon release the start date of the second phase of KYC. Stay tuned for more information. So stage 2 is coming soon for the KYC. It will be what I think it will be the step 2, where you need to just verify your identity. Verify your identity verification, like submitting your documents, submitting your national ID card, and then further more information about yourself. So soon we will see the KYC stage 2. Make sure to verify your KYC step 1 because Open Mainnet is coming soon. Token listing is coming soon. Even you know about CoinMarketCap. Okay, guys, will Pi Network and Ice Network open their mainnets in 2024? About Ice Network, everyone know that. In next year, in the month of October, we will see the open mainnet of Ice Network because you can find it inside the roadmap. About the Pi Network, still we don't know because there is no any launch date. There is no any information about the open mainnet launch. About the Ice Network, I am sure next year we will see the open mainnet. After that, we will see the exchange listing and then we will see the e-commerce payment method. So tell me in the comment section which project you like. Pi Network, Ice Network. What do you think? Which of them is better? Personally, Ice Network is better than Pi Network because developers are just working very hard. So what do you predict the price of Ice will be in 2024? After the open mainnet, of course, not before that. After open mainnet, what do you think? What will be the value of Ice token? Whether $1, 5 cent, 0.005, 0.0005. What is your prediction about the Ice token? So no one can predict that. No one can say that this will be the exact price of Ice token because we don't know the open mainnet. Even we don't know whether developers will launch the open mainnet or no, or it will delay like Pi network. Although developers said that we will launch open mainnet in the month of October 2024. But of course, might be there will be some problem, might be there will be some delay. So we don't know about that. But what I think the price can be 0.005 or 0.3 times 0.5. About $1. I don't think so. It will be. What is your target? Let me know in the comment section. Already I told you about coin market cap because the ICE developers just contact the coin market cap for the self dashboard, like just putting information about the ICE network. So let's see what is the response of coin market cap to the developers. Okay, this is the last update, one of the best update. Kim H. Wong. In here, if we check, he is a broker, he is analyzed, and then CNBC, USA Today Investment Challenge, we can see the followers 99,000. So he is also mining ICE token. He is also mining ICE token. So you can get some information in here like I want to comment the ICE Network core team on their excellency in managing the project. The core team is good at so having excellent documentation on the project with white paper and knowledge base, write-ups get miner educated on the project so they know what to expect and know what to do with the application. So the second good point is letting miners know of project plans frequently and executing them at a timely manner are helping to gain trust from users. So the third one is encourage active miners with tier 1 and tier 2 mining rewards, and punish inactive miners with slashing coin reduction, make miners active, and stick with the project. So the fourth one we have clear project roadmap with dates, short development period, and fast exchange listing are definitely welcome by miners. So all the above help build a vibrant ICE community. So these are why ICE is having a tremendous growth on number of users on the application and followers inside the social media platforms. So this popular person is also mining ICE network. So why not you? The link is below in description. Click on the link, use my referral code because you will get 25% bonus. So I'm mining Ice Network. I have more than 400,000 Ice token. So let's mine Ice token. Let's just grow this application because soon we will get huge profit because Uniswap exchange listing is coming soon. Ice token will be available for trading, for buying and selling inside Uniswap because Uniswap is the decentralized exchange of Ethereum. And this project is launched inside Ethereum network. Okay, so let me know in the comment section what you think about this project. What is your thought about this ICE network, about the open mainnet, about the KYC? Have you completed your KYC or no? So smash the like button to enable time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. This video is end up in here. Till the next video, goodbye. See you.